Sabi mo kasi mag-direct live o gusto mo bang mag-live?
Ay, wag na, direct lang na ito na lang. Nagsilayan lang ako. Alam mo naman ako, masakit ang ulo ko, di ba? Di
Okay.
maganda pakiramdam ko. I was not feeling good today.
You're not feeling good today, so you make rest, and rest.
I was shoveling snow last night. Maybe that's what happened to me this morning. I was not feeling good.
Why you go outside late night to make?
Because you told me you want to see the snow, so I come out to see you the snow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gulay.
Mommy, I want to see the snow. Okay, I will take you outside. Now I went outside. Now you see the snow. When I come back later, like 5 hours, I was not feeling good.
You're not feeling good, so after you sleep.